So I just did a startup, nothing happened, so I shut it off. But look, here we go. Check engine light, all that going off. Let's see what the code is. Ooh, that's a lot. Misfire on 1, misfire on 3, and misfire on 4. So what we'll do is go ahead and shut the car off and go ahead and reset the ECU. Okay, turn off. Let it sit for a little. I did nothing. I just started it up and waited a bit. Nothing out of the ordinary happened. I was about to go into reverse and then noticed check engine light. So let's turn her over again. That's what happened. So that's the fifth check engine light. Yippee.